Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys this cool new vending machine. Yep. The numbers are bigger. Yep. It's pretty awesome. Yep. It's pretty big indeed. Yeah, I'm going to see what I'm going to get out of this vending machine. It's pretty nice brand new vending machine. I'm probably gonna get some Skittles number 503. Now, so okay, we got let's see, so 503. Oh wow! Oh, I only got $5. So yes, but look at this. Epic fail, guys. Wow. That was an epic fail. Yep. Anyway, if I have enough money, I'll be able to do a better video. So guys, we are clear. Bye.